guys, welcome back. Watch this. This is really cool. Come here. I want to show you this. This is an emergency egress, quick deploying line. Disclaimer, this is not climbing rope. Don't try to do this without, climbing rope or something with a tensile strength that'll handle your body weight. I would love to tell all this information to you in like a 15-hour video, but nobody's gonna watch that. And it is a progression, so baby steps. This is a little more advanced, but not much. It's a backwards half hitch. We just talked about that. All right, so like I said, it's a progression. All right, watch this. Working end, bitter end, dead end. All right, so the way this works is I'm about 6 feet tall. This will make a 6-foot bite. Just refresher for our memories, this is a bite. That's a bad day. So whenever a line or rope is under tension, don't get in a bite. I mean, if you want to keep all your bits and pieces, yeah? All right, so for training purposes though, we're gonna use this rope because it works just fine. All right, now, I'm almost 6 foot tall, so I don't want to have to stretch 6 foot tall, so I should make my bites about half that, like this. See how I'm grabbing it down here, twisting it, and bringing it up. See that? So I've got a little bite there, yeah? All right, so I've got this at about eye level, and I'm coming down to about my groin or belt area, grabbing it, twisting it, bringing it up. You see? Same thing, it's kind of repetitive, kind of redundant. Let's move things along here. All right, now I'm almost ready. So check this out. See how I've got all these coils lined up from the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, and 7th, and they're all in line, okay? Now I've got my dead end. I want to feed that through the center of this line. Now I want to make sure that that's the center of this line, and none of these lines or ropes are crossed, okay? Dead end goes right through there. All right, now when I want to pitch this thing, I don't want to spin it like a frisbee. I want to do it like a shot put. All right, so it should look something like this. Hope this works. Ready? We go now. Got the dead end here. All right, now, see this? Boom, boom, uh-oh, boom, boom, boom. So that's how this works, okay? Now, if I was gonna climb down a rope without these knots in it, without gloves, I'm gonna burn my hands, I'm gonna burn my groin, I'm gonna burn my knees and my feet, and everything is gonna hurt. Now, I might make it down, but man, these little knots, they make it a lot easier, guys. And that's a neat little thing, but there's no way just to watch this video and say, oh, I can do it. You've got to practice these knots, guys. I promise. Perfect practice makes perfect, and the only way to practice perfectly is to do it until you've got it perfectly. So stay tuned, stay salty, and thank you for your time. Good Memorial Day. Hey, Carol, Jerry, y'all be cool, be safe. Love you, mean it.